Is it possible to make 2000 using breakaway gaps and inside gaps? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate whether you are experienced or beginner trader. Okay, so I'm taking this trade right here. Now I want you guys to understand this. The more inside the gap is inside of the candle, the stronger it is. Okay, and if you pay attention right here, you could see that this was what a engulf and then a what inside gap. So I'm expecting the price to continue going in my direction, and this is all you have to trade the gaps, guys. You have to look for the strong ones, the ones that goes mostly inside of the candle. You see this? Okay, I'm going to keep taking trade with gaps. Okay, so I'm taking this one right here and I have big discount entry. You see this inside gap? Look again, guys. The inside gap is so much inside of the candle. It's so clear. Look at this. So when the gap is this clear, it becomes much stronger. Okay, the price has a higher chance of going in the direction you want. Okay, plus I had a beautiful discount entry for this one. Okay, I took this one, guys. I almost missed this opportunity. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, look at this one. You see, it's a very clear inside gap. Whenever I find a outside gap, I will show you guys the same example, but I'm just mostly finding the inside gaps. Anyway, it's the same methodology for both. Okay, the more inside the candle is, the stronger it is. Okay, and we need to make sure that we are going in the direction of the market movement. Okay, so this is another inside gap again. Now guys, the reason why I'm finding so much inside gap, I don't know, but the thing is this, as I said before, it's the same methodology with the outside gap. You can call it breakaway gap, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing. You just need to know how to identify them, and then you make sure that you're in the direction of the trend and combine candlestick psychology with it, and that's it. Okay, finally I find a outside gap. Okay, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find them. I wouldn't say difficult, but because there's two types, that's the reason why I said that. It's difficult to find the strong one because there's two types. This one is the strong one, okay, because it was outside of the candle and the candle wick all together. See that? So it works much better when it's like this. I'm going to show you the one that doesn't really work well. Okay, so I'm taking this right here for a sell. And the reason why I did this is because you look right closely, you see that inside gap, it's right inside of the candle. Plus this is a hammer candle. Plus you can see we are with the trend. So this is the reason, this is how you get consistency when you do the right things over and over. Now look at this outside gap here. You realize the price didn't continue, it turns green because look, it didn't break the red candle wick. So this is a fake gap. Okay, I'm taking this one right here. Look at this one. Remember, I'll show you guys the previous gap was a fake one. This one is the real gap. Outside gap, I should say, my bad. Okay, because it break the body. There was no wick here, so that's good. But it break the body entirely. That's what I'm trying to say. See, this candle closed green. If I entered exactly when the candle opened, I would have won this trade already. But look, see this inside gap here? Look at that. It's filling. Back to back, breakaway gap, continue, inside gap filling. Come on guys, come on now. Apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level. Without deep knowledge, it's difficult to be profitable. If your goal is to be profitable, link is in description to apply for mentorship. Okay, so I found the inside gap, guys. Look at this one. This is so amazing because I found it, and this is a momentum going higher, but this momentum is pretty decent. Okay, it's not super strong, but it's decent. The main thing why I took this trade is the gap, though. It's not the momentum. Okay, because I saw that the inside gap was very healthy. It was very aggressive. Yeah, you see how the price moving? Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, Okay, my entry is not so good, but the trade is phenomenal. You guys, you see the wick. Let me show you something. Do you know that you can combine the wicks also with the gaps? Yes, that is a thing. Now you see this. This is a high to low ratio model, right? If you notice, this candle creates only a higher high, not a lower low, plus a inside gap. Plus, if you look, we have the trend going higher. So this trade is a phenomenal trade. Okay, this is how I really trade, guys. All right, so we have an inside gap here. It's not super strong, but there is a proper momentum going higher. This candle has a continuation sign. Now guys, the reason why I talk about candlestick psychology is when you know candlestick psychology, you can read every single candle. That's the whole point of candlestick psychology. Like when you can read this candle, this one, I can literally tell you what each candle right here is. So that's what gives me the confidence to continue with the inside gap going higher. Okay, I'm taking this trade right here, guys. All right, you see this breakaway gap, hammer candle, we have the trend with us. Look at that. Look at that. You're seeing this 4K for yourself, guys. This is so good. This trade might be the cleanest trade I take since this session. It's just so satisfying. You see this? Not a lot of friction. The price is just moving very clean. Okay, all right guys, this will be the end of my session. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing, you can apply for mentorship using the link in the description. Peace.